Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the color black. Let's take a look. Starting up front, underneath the hood, we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Up front, of course, we have LED headlights, customary daytime running lights, and the Rigid Industries fog lights. If you look at your headlamps, you'll notice on the passenger side we have the TRD lit up inside, and on the driver's side we have the Pro. That is a unique feature that only comes with this trim level. On the grille, just above the logo, we also have the front-facing camera, and up top here we have our hood scoop. As we get along to the sides here, we have our black alloy TRD rims with our red suspension, and then side mirrors with integrated turn signals, blind spot monitoring, and an additional camera underneath on both sides, which contribute to surround view cameras. All of the rear windows do come with factory tinting, and currently you'll see that we have the bed lights turned on. These can be turned off or work automatically with opening and closing of doors. The middle panel of the rear windshield is also power adjustable. We'll look at that when we get inside. On either side of the bed in the rear quarter, we have the TRD Pro imprints, and then the trim level badge on the right-hand side of the liftgate itself. Taking a look back here, if you look right next to your handle, you'll find your backup camera, and looking underneath is where you'll find your compact spare. To open up the rear space, simply release the handle. You can gently lower it yourself or allow it to self-open softly. Taking a look back here quickly, once you get to the right-hand side, you'll find there's additional storage as well as a power outlet. And to close it up, just reach down and bring up your tailgate into position. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So looking in here, you'll see your internal upholstery is the black leatherette with the red stitching popping through and the textured middle panels. The back of the front passenger seat does have pouch storage, and in the middle here we have the cup holder spaces. Currently we have the TRD Pro rubber mats throughout. This is a unique pattern for TRD Pro levels. Good amount of storage inside your rear doors here. Then as you move forward, take a look at your handle. You'll notice these little double lines right here. This indicates it is a keyless entry unit. You can tap your hand here to lock and unlock. Inside your driver's door panel, we have the power windows for front, back, and child safety lock, power lock system, and side mirror controls. Front driver's seat is electronically adjustable, back, front, up, down, and your lumbar support. Hood release latch is on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Above that, we have controls for your bed light, your automatic headlamps, the rear power outlet. This allows you to view your full surround view cameras. Press it in, and you'll get one of the views. Press it again, and you get the others. This way you know that you're definitely not missing anything without having to get out and check every corner. Next to that is, of course, traction control. And then we'll hop up here and take a look at our steering wheel. So on the left-hand side, this is the controls for your radio, volume, and then your hands-free communication. On the right-hand side, we have the dash display controls up top, and then the controls for your cruise, as well as sonar and lane departure. In the middle here is your infotainment display screen, so you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your built-in navigation and all of your audio listening. This unit does come with AM, FM, and satellite radio. It also has full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and an optional USB adapter. Underneath that is your climate control center. We have the dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync them up to work in unison. We also have the tri-level 2 front heated seat controls, and then your defrost for front windshield, side mirrors as well, dial for your 2-wheel 4 high and 4 low, and push start ignition. Under that is your BSM sensor, your electric power, and then this is the control for that rear panel. Pushes in and pulls up like any other power window control. But we'll just take a look back here. When you push it in, it slides open for you, and then when you pull it up, it'll close again too. Great for just letting in a little extra airflow. Next to that is your USB, and then this little symbol you'll see matches the symbol down below. A little hard to see in this lighting, but this is a wireless charging pad for all compatible devices. It can also be used for just general storage, and you can turn the power control for that on and off using that button. You have your 12-volt next to that, cup holders, your gear shift that is leather wrapped with those red details much like your seats, cup holders, console with some additional charger spaces, and then looking upwards, on your rear view mirror you have the controls for your garage door openers. Those are those little house-shaped controls. Above that you have your crawl control, your rear diff lock, SOS button, overhead lighting controls, and controls for your moonroof. Thanks again, folks, for coming with us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the color black. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Auto Mall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.